weird Puerto Rican neighborhood. And oh yeah, when did he leave? Oh really? Oh, that's excellent. No, you know, I was gonna tell you the other day when I came down, there's something really important that I wanted to share with you.
¡Mira! ¡Maldita sea la madre, carajo! ¡Métete en la casa ahora mismo!
Bro,
¡Antes que te metan a la pela!
Speak up a little. Bro, I can't hear you, bro.
¡Maldita
Bro,
sea!
I
I
can't hear
said
you, bro.
no, carajo! I said no! ¡Maldita
Bro,
sea!
I
I
can't hear
said
you, bro.
no, carajo!
Bro!
I said no! I said no!
It's the same old story. I think I found
Margie!
a spot.
Throw down my keys!
Yeah.
Throw down my
Can you talk a
keys!
little loud?
Throw down his keys!
Damn it!
Sometimes the noise gets way out of hand, especially when trying to reach friends and family. That's why Latingular is here today, to help filter out the noise when things have gone too far.
Hold on one second. Hi.
¡Maldita sea la madre, carajo! Yo te dije que ahora que
Hold
tú
on one
wanna...
second.
No, I said right now, carajo! Ay, my novela's on.
Y ahora, mentira.
Can you hear me now, bro? Ah.
Latingular, serving the Latino in his community.